Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and it's really cool, but he's upset because he actually bought it and it didn't cut all the way out. Well, it was black and I turned it into a hairline. And here's why it didn't cut out. Some of the stuff he said just didn't cut out. And so to test it, I'm going to smart fill it. And there's a problem right here. I can see if we back up, it didn't do this limb. So a quick fix on that. Let's see what our nudge distance is. Let's change it to 2 inches. Let's take this one and just move it out of the way. For some reason that has a leak in it, but instead of taking the time, let's just smart fill it. It doesn't leak, let's put it back, and then let's left click, right click, and go down and make it into a hairline. Now, let's get rid of this. And I'm mainly doing this for him, but you might pick up some pointers too. Now let's color fill the whole thing. So we're good, it's fixed that. Now let's back up and see, here's where his problem is. More so than that, this is weird and got some double, and especially I think he's cutting this out of paper. So the best thing to do is get your hairlines and just go in and fix all these lines. It's just the easiest way. Instead of trying to weld it, just use your imagination what needs to be open. You've got a border, and it's a pretty neat, it's worth doing. And then you can just kind of zoom in, and that looks good. I think all the problems are right in here. Your virtual, now you could possibly take this apart and color fill it, weld it, but a lot of times this is just as easy and a lot less trouble, because sometimes things like this might not weld because it's, whoop, that was a mistake. Zoom. So you got to think about the color's got to get out. Now when we're done, we could probably weld this and make it look good. A few more pieces, and it's, this takes a little time, but it's well worth it. Especially, this is a neat piece of clip art. One more. And now we can go back and smart fill this and take a look. And it looks really good. And I've already sent this to him, but if I was going to cut it out myself, I would just double check and look at it. And something's funny right there I would fix. And you could actually fix that right now. And I don't know if you could see that, but there was actually a double line. See, sometimes when you're zoomed out, you can see better. So let's just go here. Well, we don't need to do that. Let's just cut this line. It's a lot easier just to cut it, then take your shape tool and just click on it. Now I would still color fill it again to make sure you haven't messed anything up. But that's a pretty neat design. I don't know. He said he's going to cut it on paper. That's going to be some pretty thin stuff, being it's only 12 inches or less than 12 inches big. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.